that was a day on site here. Another little install in beautiful Ormond Beach, Florida. We've got pretty Vietnamese red pomegranate. All these climate appropriate plants that will thrive. We've got a tropic sweet peach. Oh, this is my favorite new joke. What is Vanilla Ice's favorite fruit tree? Tice, Tice, baby. Yeah, I know. That's me. Right there we've got Orinoco, big fat corn I put in the ground. Right here we've got Namwa. Right here we've got Blue Java. Back over there in the little sitting area is Dwarf Brazilian and Amoy. Right there is my very favorite fruit tree in the whole wide world, Sunraysia Nectarine. Here we have Scarlet Beauty Plum, looking gorgeous. The raised bed we built and filled. Right now it's got some peanuts in it. See, it started some. We've got Seminole Pumpkin in the corner. Got a nice happy Everglades tomato right there. We also had some Primark Freedom blackberries on some trellises in the back. Right here, Brogdon. It is quite windy today. Big old beautiful Brogdon. Mini Oletangelo. Key lime hiding over there. And up in the front we added a few more things. Here's a Satsuma tangerine. Right there. Already got a couple little babies on her. Variegated Centennial Kumquat, actually loaded with little fruits. Variegated Pink Lemon, Variegated Centennial Kumquat, and Meyer Lemon. I have grown and fruited all of these things. I know they will work. I feel good about this, about the varieties we picked. They should do well, and there should be food popping out of this place. Husband and wife team, baby. Getting her done. Do these installs personally ourselves, so we know they're done the right way. All right. See you guys later.